The three fundamental principles about our nature. Recognizing this essence involves understanding that beyond the temporary, gross material, the subtle body, mind, the body and the mind, they are just temporary. We are the unchanging, eternal spiritual beings. Death is just the leaving the spiritual being from the uninhabitable physical body. Our position as dominated spirit soul, knowing our position as dominated spiritual beings, means actually recognizing the Supreme Lord as the ultimate authority and source of everything. Having this strong faith in the Supreme Lord, there is nothing to fear even in the valley of death. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me.
Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. This Psalm 23:4.
If the essence is the recognition of our spiritual nature and the position is understanding our relationship with the Supreme Lord, the function actively existing in accordance with this understanding. And this implies engaging in selfless service, cultivating a devotional attitude, and aligning our actions with the principles of love and service to the Supreme Lord, and of helping others, other living entities, having compassionate heart to all living entities as the spiritual beings. Having these things, it will be easier for us to grasp or to understand about what is actually happening